I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in
So today we're taking a look at an ANC earbuds from one of the more popular brands on this channel, Lenovo, and to see if this time round they can produce a good performing, budget-friendly, yet functional ANC earbuds, and I'm really excited to find out. So these earbuds were sent over to me by Banggood for review, and Banggood is a large e-commerce site that sells many tech gadgets you might want to look for, and you can also get this model of the Lenovo LP70 from their webpage itself, so definitely check them out. So this ANC earbuds retails for a budget-friendly 150 Malaysia ringgit, which is around 35 US dollars. As far as ANC earbuds go, these are super cheap, and if these works out as advertised, then it's definitely a strong contender in the budget ANC earbud space. And if you're interested in getting these earbuds, definitely check out the links in the description below. So the earbuds that reminds me the most when I pick up the LP70 is definitely the AirPods Pro, and I think the intention to mimic Apple is strong with these earbuds. From far, you definitely might mistake this for an AirPods Pro case, but when you come close, you definitely see some differences. So the case is made of a lightweight gloss white plastic, and they also come in black, and although the white looks like the AirPods Pro, by touching it, you can feel that the build itself is not as nice, not as solid as how Apple does it, and I guess you really pay a premium with Apple for those little quality and details. So the front of the case has a nice Lenovo branding there, subtle and nice, and I do like how Lenovo's logo look like, and I think they add a touch of class to the earbuds case itself. So above that, you're gonna get an LED indicator if the earbuds are charging and whether or not the case battery is low. And at the bottom of the case, this is where you're gonna get your Type-C charging port to charge up the earbuds, and at the back of the case, you're gonna get that Ting Plus branding there, which also adds a nice touch to the design of the earbuds. And above that, you're gonna see the metal hinge, again mimicking the AirPods design. So definitely intended to go out and copy the AirPods Pro. So the nice thing about this case is that the lid opens up nice and smooth with no loose hinges or chip feeling, but despite the large metal hinge, there isn't any mechanism to hold it up for you to access your earbuds, so if you just let go, it will still slam shut. And the good news here is that Lenovo doesn't cheap out in the lid building, and inside you're going to see an extra layer of plastic that molds to the shape of the earbuds, giving it a beefier build and feel. So the earbuds itself has a little bit of its own style going on, but looking at the ear tips itself, if I just point it like that, needless to say where they're copying the design from, and I think they definitely did a good job by copying them. But unlike the more premium counterpart, there are no sensors here to detect if the earbuds are inside your ears. And at the front here, you're gonna get a stem style design, nice and short, with a touch sensor at the top opposed to the squeeze sensor of the AirPods Pro. And the LEDs of the earbuds is hidden neatly inside this small tiny hole at the side of the earbuds, which is really good, and it does go away when you connect it to your phone. So in terms of the battery life of any Lenovo earbuds, isn't mind-blowing, and if there is one area they can improve, it's definitely the battery life. And since chipsets are getting more efficient and battery power is getting stronger, the Lenovo has no reason to be bad. And the Lenovo is rated to have a 5 hours of battery life and 20 additional hours without ANC, and with ANC on, that number drops to about 2.5 to 3 hours with 12 additional hours with the case. So it doesn't have the stamina for all-day listening, so it's mostly suited for those who use their earbuds sparingly throughout the day, and charging the earbuds up takes about 1.5 hours and 2 hours for the case. So in terms of the volume here is actually very good, and a comfortable listening in a quiet environment is about 30% volume, and moving up about 50% volume is loud but bearable, and 80% and beyond is definitely too loud for my liking, so you have quite a good range to use these in various conditions with different noise levels. So given that this is a budget earbuds, features here is also pretty budget. Lenovo gives you a Bluetooth 5.2 with AAC and SBC codec for decent quality streaming, and I believe most earbuds today are somewhat water resistant, at least to sweat and minor splashes. However, since these are ANC earbuds, there isn't any official IP rating from them, so try to keep them dry where possible. So connectivity here feels really seamless, letting you connect to both the left or right earbuds without any issues, and if you put the other earbuds back in the case, the other side doesn't pause, which is really nice. So you can always pick out either side and use them independently, so that's pretty nice. And finally, like most of the earbuds out there today, there are no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So ANC here is actually praisable, and from where we have actually viewed Lenovo earbuds in the past, I think they definitely did a great job improving their earbuds quite a bit. So the ANC works really well with loud enough music playing at about 20-30% volume. With road noise and airplane cabin noises, I think they do a decent enough job to cut out about, I say, 40% of the ambient noise. Still audible, but if you have music playing, it should eliminate most of the noise. And with chatters or high-pitched sounds, I think they still let in quite a bit through, but good enough that you can still enjoy music without too much background noise. Definitely not to the level of premium buds like the Sony XM4 or the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, but still good for its price. So transparency mode here is also pretty nice, giving you a slight 10% amplification of your environment, so you can hear your surroundings better. But if you have audio playing, it's still best to pause the media or take the earbuds out to communicate. Wind noise here is not that good with these earbuds, as you're gonna get quite a lot of buffering sound when you're using these earbuds with direct wind blowing into the mics. It doesn't have that algorithm to really knock out all the wind noise. So overall, I'm gonna give these earbuds a 6.5 out of 10 for ANC Performance. So sound signature of newer Lenovo earbuds are definitely better than the earlier models that we've checked out, and these new ones definitely do quite a good job as well. And I would classify these earbuds as balanced, as they do not seem to emphasize too much on any one frequencies, but in general they are well balanced and good. So bass here is not that strong, giving you a solid but not too thumpy bass note, so no special emphasis here with sub bass, but you do hear the mid bass that gives you at least that slight thump. So mids here are also great with very clear renditions of vocals. With some songs, I do detect a very slight recess in vocals, but not bad at all. Still giving listeners a nice overall focus on the artist's voice. So highs here do sound crispy, and you do hear some of the clean, bright cymbals and hi-hats in music, which is really good for such a budget earbuds. So Lenovo has definitely improved a lot in their sound quality department, and I'm really liking it with the LP70.
So this is a test to see if the Lenovo LP70 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
And latency here is not the best, and to be honest, it does lag quite a bit when playing game like PUBG, and from a real-time standpoint, it feels like there is like a one bullet lag. So casual gaming feels nice with these, but definitely not to your advantage if you use this competitively. So let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So controls here are also decent, but not very complete. But the good news here is that they are quite responsive. So to play or pause media, tap twice on either side of the earbuds and you will play or pause your media. And to skip tracks forward, tap 3 times on the right earbuds and tap 3 times on the left earbuds to skip backwards. So to toggle between the different ANC mode, press and hold on the right earbuds for about 2 seconds and it will toggle you between the different modes. And to call your assistant, press and hold on the left earbuds for about 2 seconds and it should pause your media and call out your assistant. So that's pretty much all the controls you get with the LP70. So overall, a pretty good, cheap, all-rounder ANC earbuds. And if you happen to stumble upon these earbuds and wondering whether they are good, so here you go, this is the review. And if it's within your budget, you could definitely give them a try. And I personally would give this a thumbs up for cheap ANC earbuds. So let me know if this earbuds is right for you. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere. And if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.